Welcome to the Sara Alert tutorial, where you will learn about the isolation monitoring workflow. This workflow allows Sara Alert to monitor cases on a daily basis to determine when they preliminarily meet the recovery definition. After meeting a recovery definition, Public Health will follow up with the case to determine it is safe to discontinue home isolation. This workflow is available to users logged in as a user assigned the Public Health or Public Health Enroller role. At the top right of the monitoring dashboard, you will find a toggle menu for switching between the exposure monitoring dashboard and the isolation monitoring dashboard. Select Isolation Monitoring to view the line lists of cases under monitoring. Cases will appear on a specific line list if they meet the criteria for that list. Each line list can be viewed by clicking on the applicable tab. These views help public health users focus on cases requiring follow-up. The numbers on the tab indicate the total number of cases on each line list. The active monitoring line lists, including the records requiring review, non-reporting and reporting line lists, show cases where the records monitoring status is set to actively monitoring. The records requiring review line list includes cases who preliminarily meet one of the recovery definitions and requires review by Public Health to validate that it is safe to discontinue isolation. The recovery definition logic has been designed to be sensitive. As a result, cases that do not meet requirements for recovery may appear. Follow-up with these cases should be based on current guidelines and available resources. A case on this line list will not receive daily symptom report request messages from Sara Alert. The non-reporting line list includes cases who have not submitted a symptom report within the expected reporting period, like once every 24 hours, and do not yet meet a recovery definition. These cases require follow-up by Public Health to collect a monitoree's possible symptoms. Follow-up with these cases should be based on current guidelines and available resources. A case on this line list will receive daily symptom report request messages from Sara Alert. The reporting line list includes cases who have submitted a symptom report to Sara Alert within the expected time period and do not yet meet the recovery definition. Since cases are expected to report symptoms during recovery, this line list does not differentiate symptomatic from asymptomatic monitorees. A case on this line list will receive daily symptom report request messages from Sara Alert. The closed line list includes cases who are no longer being monitored by Public Health. This list includes records where monitoring status is set to not monitoring. The reason for closure is displayed. A case on this line list will not receive daily symptom report request messages from Sara Alert. The transfer line lists identify records where the assigned jurisdiction has changed. These line lists function the same as the transfer line lists in the exposure monitoring dashboard. The All Cases line list allows you to search across all line lists in the isolation workflow. The status column shows which line lists a record is located on. On any line list, you can sort columns by clicking on the Sort icon. Hold Shift on your keyboard to sort by multiple columns.